What's up guys, I am back here and today I'm going to be showing you how to modify the textures in People Playground. Now what you want to do is go to this PC and local disk C or whatever disk is your main disk, and program file 86, steamapps, common, and then People Playground. Or I'll also provide a like copy and pasting here, so you can just paste that in and find it. So now you're here, you need to go into peopleplayground.data. Now you also need to download something that I'm going to be providing in the description. It's called Unity Assets Bundle Extractor. So hit File, Open, and now go to People Playground data right here, and double click and click resources.assets, and then hit open. Now it should load up, and also make sure you're getting the latest version of it, because I got an older version of this and it ruined the game. The game didn't work. But if it doesn't work for you, if the game if there isn't any selection buttons or anything when you open up People Playground, then that's fine. Just uninstall it and install it again. Anyway, so now that we're here, you're going to want to if you're editing the textures, then you need to find the first texture right here and scroll all the way down. And now just hold shift and press the last texture. Now go to plugins and export to PNG. Hit OK, and you can just make a new thing named textures. I already did this right here, so all the textures, but I'm going to do it again anyways because there's a new 1.4 update. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to select all of those. Also, don't press it and then hold shift immediately and scroll up or something, because that won't work. You need to click this, click the first to last texture, then so if you pick the first texture on the up, then you need to scroll down and select the last texture on the bottom, and vice versa, so the other way around as well. Again, don't hold shift while you're scrolling, but hold shift before you click. And then plugins, export to PNG again, and then textures. You can make a thing named textures and then do it here. As you can see, it exports it, and there you go. This is all the textures right here. Yeah, these are all textures. Now you can also modify those textures, and I just did some custom textures here. So first, to open up, to edit the file thing, a file, you're just going to open up Chrome or whatever you use. And I just use this cool drawing thing right here. I'll leave a link in the description. It's just it's just piskelApp.com. Then just hit create sprite, and then you can just do this. Now once you're here or in another drawing program, also I do have Photoshop, I just don't want to use it because it's easier with this, because this is kind of meant for pixel art. Anyways, so you want to hit import right here, the little folder icon, and browse images. Now you can just go to your textures folder and find anything you want. So I'm going to do the let's see. Hmm. I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the background right here, and I'm just going to click it and hit open. Now hit import and hit OK, and it's the background right here. Oh, I just controlled C twice. So yeah, right here. Now you can change the pen size, and you can do that by pressing the big thing. Just right here, you can see all the shortcuts for stuff. Where is it? Somewhere here. You can make the pen tool bigger. It's like on a keyboard there's a square bracket. So if you hit the open one, like the ending open one, then it makes it bigger. And if you hit the closing, just if you hit the other one, then it's smaller. So I opened up the background for it. So I'm just going to quickly make a custom background. So be right back. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I've created a simple background. So now what you're going to want to do is hit this image thing, or hit export right here, like the little image icon on the right. Again, this is for the website drawing thing I'm using. And then you're going to click sprite sheet URI sprite sheet data URI export. Just click the open button, and this is going to be your image. Now right click, save image as, and you can make a custom textures folder, and you can make your custom textures in it. So I'm going to save this as background. As you can see, I already have some stuff. So save. Also, something kind of annoying about it is that every single update, it resets, because the assets file gets changed, of course, because it adds new things and stuff. Anyways, let's get back into the custom thing file. Okay, so before we go into the custom textures, okay, so before we go into the Unity Assets Bundle Extractor, there should be a number at the end here. So the background is 104. So keep that in mind. Now go back into the Unity Assets Bundle Extractor, and right here, path ID 104 background. Now plugins, edit, hit OK. Now right here beside texture should be load, and then you can go into your custom textures folder and select the background.png that you made, or whatever name you want it to be. And then I also have some other custom textures, and again they get the textures get reset every single update, so it's kind of annoying when you have to put all of these back. Happened 2 times now with update 1.3 and now update 1.4, I believe. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm just going to quickly change all of these, and yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so I just finished adding all of my custom textures. Now I am going to, so you're going to want to hit OK. Same changes, yes. And resources.assets, you can put it anywhere. Also, by the way, you can't just go to here and then delete resources.assets because it's being used in the asset finder extractor, so you're going to need to save it somewhere and then actually what do you call it, and then actually replace it. Also, if you save it here, then it says the file cannot be written to because again it's already being used. So I delete that, move to peopleplayground.data. So I need to open People Playground. Okay, so I just launched People Playground. Now, like I said before, if you don't see like the title screen or anything, then that means you're using an older version. So yeah. Again, I'll link everything that I did in the description. But yeah, here we go. This is my custom background, and here's my human texture that I made before. Sword texture that I made. What else? AK-47 and a blaster that I made. Oh wait, I forgot to do the disassembler. Okay, so I just added the disassembler texture that I forgot to add in. So this is it. This is my disassembler texture. Also, all these textures are mine. Like, not the normal textures, of course, but like the custom textures. Let's see. Yeah, I did this Ferrari. In the industrial piston says re even on the icon. I can't really see it. Oh yeah, and there's a new time gate and a new siren. So yay. See you guys next time, and goodbye. See ya.